good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. And we're going to be looking at this 72 Traveler. We're looking at where they're having their problems. This is the section that completely ripped out. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. This is the section that completely ripped out. Well, probably from corrosion and everything, but you know, they usually have a rivet right back here, and there is. This keeps it from delaminating. But this is the tail on a Traveler, and this is serial number 140 to 72. But again, this is where the rip occurred, which caused this hinge to come loose and allow this all to flop around. So let's go take a look at the other side. It will look just the same, but we'll be right back. This is on the bottom. And then this is the side that you actually see the tore out. So it tore out of this rib, which is bonded here, and there is a factory rivet that they put here that is squeezed down. You can barely see it, but anyway, this is where it ripped loose. And again, it was because it had delaminated here and it had corrosion on the inside, and I'm not feeling any here, just some dirt. But that's what caused the metal with the flight load to rip the metal and tear, and then this was flopping loose. But yet, because it's a Part 23 certified aircraft, it was able to be gotten on the ground or close to the ground before they had the problem. So everybody walked away from that one. By the way, if you're looking at your airplanes, forget what your N number is. Like right here, 3087. That's the serial number for the ship set that made this aircraft. So these pieces here, well, this is actually a trim tab, but all of these, the elevators, the horizontal, the vertical, the fuselage, the wings. If this airplane's all original, they're all going to be having a scratch 3087. So that's your serial number. By the way, that serial number is also on the spar, which is why if you have a problem with a spar, you can track it back down by a serial number, which does not relate to your N number. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Take a good look at your airplanes. These are supposed to be back in like this. That gives room for the bracket to attach. The blind captures are in here. You don't want any dirt or debris, and you want it good and solid. Reach around in here and feel for dirt. If you feel some, reach in with some Scotch-Brite, clean it, and then re-oil it. Again, there's just dirt in here, and when you have dirt and you get water, that makes mud, which starts making corrosion. So keep your airplane as clean as you can for safety. You know, they're talking about it's the horizontal, but what people don't realize is the horizontal is also the rudder. So if you're having that problem there, it could also be in the rudder. But anyway, here's a whole stack of them that are two-place. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I would throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.